Alright, good morning, guys. So, today we're going to be working on pronunciation, specifically catenation. Today is all about catenation. But before we start, I want you guys to do a little exercise with me. With one hand, do a 2. With the next hand, do a rock sign. Alright? What you're going to do is you're going to flip. With this hand, you're going to do a rock sign. This hand, you're going to do a 2. Now we're going to do this faster. Okay? So flip, 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 flip. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good? Easy? Well, congratulations to those who were able to do it. And those who weren't, practice makes perfect. Alright, so now let's get started with catenation. So before we get started, we're going to do a little warm-up. We're going to listen to the song by Ed Sheeran called The Shape of You. Okay? The first time we're going to listen to it, I just want you to close your eyes and listen to the words, alright? Second time, we're going to try to sing along with it, okay? And the third time, we're going to repeat it, but I'm going to show you the specific parts where you can see catenation. Alright. So, what is catenation? Catenation is when one word ends with a consonant sound and the next word begins with a vowel sound. You pronounce the two words as one. They are basically linking the words together. Okay? So from hearing the song, if you remember, one of the verses was, "The club isn't the best place." Alright? As you can see, club and isn't right there would be a perfect example of catenation. Club ends with a B, and B is a consonant. I isn't, obviously starts with an I, and that is a vowel. So right there, it's a perfect example. One ends with a consonant, the other one begins with a vowel. So you would not say the club isn't the best place. You would say the club isn't. Club isn't. Alright? It rolls off your tongue. The next sentence, it's also from the song. Me and my friends at the table. You can see friends at. S is the ending. A is the beginning. My friends at the table. You say my friends at the table. Friends at. Not friends at. Friends at. Don't worry. Like I said in the beginning, practice makes perfect. This will come natural to you, and you would think that it's difficult and it's not natural, but it is. You just wait and see. Okay? So now we have a couple of examples. Alright, what I want to do here is I want you to look at two words which include the catenation. Alright, and I want you to see if you can pronounce it how a native speaker would. Right? So the first one is, I woke up at 7 a.m. yesterday. I woke up at 7 a.m. yesterday. Can you find the two words with the catenation? Let's see. At the end, I'll give you the answers, so don't worry. You will know which ones have the catenation. Okay? Second one. I do a lot of pull-ups at the gym. I do a lot of pull-ups at the gym. Then we have, it's a big opportunity. It's a big opportunity. I shout out loud in the mornings. I shout out loud in the mornings. I don't want to listen to this music. Can you switch it off, please? I don't want to listen to this music. Can you switch it off, please? You can't run away from your problems. You can't run away from your problems. Stop it, please. Stop it, please. Alright, this time I'm going to read it once, and I'm going to emphasize the catenation. Maybe this will help you. Alright, so pay close attention. Alright, let's begin. I woke up at 7 a.m. yesterday. I do a lot of pull-ups at the gym. It's a big opportunity. I shout out loud in the mornings. I don't want to listen to this music. Can you switch it off, please? You can't run away from your problems. Stop it, please. Alright, so now let's see which ones you got correct, which ones you got wrong. Alright, let's see. So the first one is woke up. So congratulations to those who did get it correct. Alright, and if you did it, it's okay. That's why we practice. Alright, you will note that the words here are not spelled correctly. Well, the majority aren't, okay? And I did that on purpose because remember, catenation is working on your pronunciation. It is not working on your grammar. Alright? So the first one is woke up. And you know that woke is spelled W-O-K-E. Remember that catenation has to do with the sound. And woke doesn't sound as if it ended with the E, but it sounds as if it ended with a K. Okay, so remember, catenation, pronunciation, not spelling. Okay, so woke up is the first one. We do not say woke up, we say woke up. Next one, you try it first. Alright, so next one is pull up. Pull up. I do pull-ups. Alright. Next one is kind of long. Okay. Big opportunity. Okay, we do not say big opportunity. More or less, maybe if you're fancy, but regular people would just say big opportunity. Then we have shout out. Right? The word is shout out, but we say shout out. Then we have switch off, switch off, switch off. We have runaway. That one's kind of easy, no? Runaway. And then we have stop it. Stop it. Alright, so very good. Very good. So remember, practice makes perfect. Alright, so now that you know a little bit about catenation, what I want you to do is I want you to write 5 sentences. They don't have to be long sentences. They just have to be, complete sentences. After you write those 5 sentences, I want you to, with your pen or pencil, I want you to highlight the 2 letters that have the connection. Alright? Or if you want, you could spell it to the side, kind of like I did here with my cheat sheet. Alright? And once that is done, I want you to go up to the board and I want you to write the sentence and I want you to pronounce it. And make sure you emphasize on the part that has catenation. Okay? Alright. Good luck, everybody.